Little day 2 bonus edition. Yesterday I had some big boards here with a little bit of rot in it, and I didn't want to replace the whole column. Now this is the first time I attempted this, but it was super cool. So I took a multi-tool and cut out the wood just like I would repair drywall. Put the wood back in there, caulked it after it was secure, made sure they were on the same plane, and then I went over it with some rock hard wood filler and skim coated it the same way I would do drywall. This is day 2 and I'm gonna sand this down. They look awesome. There's our corner after repair. Sweet! Thanks for watching.